Hi, in this video we'll be doing an engine refresh on a Yamaha Mio Sporty or Amore. The first part is disassembling the engine crankcase from the chassis. Remove the battery, seat, U-box and electrical connections. This particular Mio has been upgraded already before to a 160cc displacement engine with a big bulb's 3025 cylinder head. Remove throttle cable, remove the brake cable from the brake lever, then the CVT air filter case. Then remove the rear suspension shock bolt. Remove the center pivot shaft that holds the chassis and the crankcase, then lift the chassis and separate the chassis from the engine. Remove the engine plastic air shroud, then exhaust pipe and intake manifold and carb. The cranking compression test indicates cylinder pressure during cranking or starting the engine. This may be a good reference for the engine performance, but it is not the same as the static compression ratio or dynamic compression ratio. Disassemble the cylinder head and block. Remove cam cover, timing chain tensioner, and cam gear. Then remove the 4 head nuts. Pry or sikwatin yung head to take it apart from the block.
Malalim pala eh.
Ano sabi ko sa'yo?
Yan, na-top din.
Ito, may dumi.
Puno. Palitan natin ang gasket yung ano. Yung green.
Stop.
Wala na to. M3
Sumisilip ko.
hindi kasya talagang pang M3 pumps natin 20 6.5 yung cams J20 ata to.
Oo. Mababa ito, Roldan. Mababa yung cups mo.
Pupud na ang rocker arm.
Kasi tayo? Ito namin kalokang, boss. Pagod lang kami. Nagkakabuli ka?
Rocker arm?
MTRT.
Oo. Palit na ng valves. Luma na to. Daming tutong. Ito natin ang bago. Ito. Lighten. Same size. 25, 30. Lumang cams. 6.5. Ano natin 7.0. MTRT 7.0. Bili pa ng rocker arm na upod. Suwatin natin yung compression ratio. Kunin natin yung volume ng chamber. Lagyan na lang ng butas.
A higher compression ratio means higher combustion efficiency, but we need to consider the compression ratio with what gasoline octane rating are available. Here, I fill the chamber with colored water and then
Okay.
measure what is left.
From 30, naging 16 na lang. Ilan yun? 14.
Bawasan ko lang yung mga sharp edges para mabawasan yung hot spots at mag-improve ang flow.
Tama? Ano? Okay.
Sakto lang yung marka nung pagkakalap.
Gil muna tayo.
Factor detector din natin sa
Bakit?
ang lapat.
Mas na yung bilhin. Masyado malapad?
Ay pumasok eh. Oh, tigas oh. Lapad ng ganito. Ayun ang tigas oh.
Ayaw. MTRT rocker arm.
Be very careful with piston ring installation. Follow the diagram. Don't forget the pin lock.
Ang bago yung gasket namin.
Pero
Ito lang yan. BHT. Oh.
sponsor.
Ayaw.
Hello. Tigas na yun.
Supply.
Din pa yung ano mo, yung tapon.
Bakit ganito itong rocker at MTRT?
Matigas.
Mahigpit. Hindi sila pati ng SPECV. Gas. Nabasi na lang. Sige. Ano, bukas na? Sige.
This is day 2 of our engine refresh. Nagka-problema lang kami dahil maskip yung rocker arm. Pero niliha ako, okay na ngayon. Okay, let's continue. Put the crank to top dead center, then align the cam gear to the timing mark. Adjust the tappet clearance according to the recommended specs as shown. I adjusted the tappet clearance a little bit loose because from experience nauupuran kami ng rocker arm, lalo na kung stock rocker arm ang ginamit.
Okay. Walang untog. Okay. No untog. Okay. 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 Good. Good.